Hey everyone! Welcome to another creative session on the channel. Today, we're diving into something special. A bold and minimalist castle drawing using just two colors, blue and red. Creating with a limited palette isn't just a challenge, it's an opportunity to let simplicity shine. I'll walk you through my process and share tips along the way. So grab your tools and let's get started. We'll begin with the basic structure. I carefully sketched out the main shape of the castle, starting with the towers. The key here is to focus on symmetry. Did you know? Castles were symbols of power and protection, often built on high ground to give defenders the upper hand. While outlining, I made sure to keep the proportions clean. Symmetry might seem intimidating, but with practice, it becomes second nature. If it's your first time, don't worry. Every line gets you closer to something amazing. Let's listen to some music while I finish the drawing. By the way, I created this song using Suno AI.
The sound of motion builds a vibrant scene, bound by threads that weave and intertwine, a story written with a pulse divine. Every corner turns a hidden page, the quiet grows into a brighter stage, footsteps moving where no map can show, an endless journey only hearts can know. Feel the pull as horizons appear, every note becomes louder and clear, breaking through where the borders were drawn. We carry on into the dawn, lift the story higher than before. Through the currents we reach the shore, pieces fall and rebuild what remains. All we've gathered burns like a flame. From the ashes a new spark takes hold, futures built from the brave and the bold, a song that rises from deep in the ground, a melody born where courage is found.
Now comes the fun part. Color! I used red for the roofs to create a striking contrast with the blue walls. Red symbolizes energy and passion, while blue conveys calm and strength. Together, they balance each other perfectly. Added the colors. I imagined this castle standing tall on a sunny day, its bold colors catching the light. Little details like windows and doors bring out the personality of the design. Details are where the magic happens. I went over the edges, sharpening the lines and adding small elements like the black windows and doorways. This step transforms a simple sketch into something alive. Sometimes I think of art as a reflection of life. Messy, imperfect, yet beautiful in its uniqueness. If you've ever doubted your ability to draw, remember that every artist starts somewhere. Mistakes are part of the process, and often they lead to unexpected creativity. Art is more than just a skill. For me, drawing isn't just about creating something visually appealing. It's a way to express myself and connect with others. This minimalist castle is a perfect example of how simplicity can be both elegant and impactful. What do you think about this design? Have you ever tried creating art with just a couple of colors? It's a fun way to push your creativity and explore new possibilities. Let's listen to some music while I finish the coloring.
Forward with every breath, lines redefined with every step. Through the shifting fields we explore, finding strength to become much more. The tide retreats but leaves its mark, a guiding light ignites the spark. What was fleeting now feels so near. We move ahead with nothing to fear. Lift the story higher than before.
What do you think of this design? If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments and tell me what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creative sessions.